In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some features within Microsoft Word, specifically focusing on utilizing the Developer tab to work with legacy tools and ActiveX controls. This guide is designed to help you understand how to access and adjust specific functionalities, potentially making your document creation process more customizable and efficient. First off, start by opening your Microsoft Word application. You may already be familiar with the Home tab, where most basic functionalities reside, but for today's exploration, our focus will be on the Developer tab. If you can't see it right away, don't worry. You might need to enable it through Word's options. Access the Word options by clicking on File, then Options, and finally Customize ribbon. There, you'll find the Developer tab listed. Just check the box next to it to make it visible. Once you have your Developer tab all set, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a range of options appear that might seem unfamiliar at first. Today, we'll zone in on the Legacy Tools option. It's represented by an icon that looks like a toolbox. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with various controls you can insert into your Word document. Next, we want to focus on the ActiveX controls section, which is an important part of the Developer tab, especially if you're performing more advanced document modifications. Among these controls, you will see an icon resembling a circle, which represents the Options button. Click on this to insert the Options button into your document. You can think of the Options button as something akin to a radio button, allowing users to select one option from a set. Now, you might want to change the name or label of this Options button to suit your document's needs. To do this, right-click on the Options button itself. You'll see a menu pop up, navigate to Option Button Object, and then choose Edit. This will allow you to modify the text label associated with your Options button, ensuring it says exactly what you need. After completing these steps, you'll have a customized Options button ready to use within your document, perfect for forms or interactive features you want to incorporate. Working with these advanced tools gives you more flexibility in how you utilize Microsoft Word, moving beyond simple word processing to creating interactive, user-friendly documents. And just like that, you're done. By following these instructions, you're not only exploring the customizable features of Word, but also enhancing how others might interact with your documents. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore these tools further to fit your specific project needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips useful in your future Word projects.